as a banker, you can never make heaven. I said it today. Any banker here, nothing make heaven. Because all the bankers are liars. My branch manager can't carry me go seminar. She can't say, please, work with Stanbic Bank. I can't tell her, say, madam, relax. Let me talk to them. Bad market, how I be. I can't begin talk. What I came to market to you is Chase accounts. When you open that account, the child will not be the signature to the account. When you give birth to the child, we will snap the child from birth. You can give a standing order that 20,000 or so can leave your account to the child's account. When the child gets to 3 years, the child will write a Stanbic Chase scholarship exam. If the child pass, Stanbic will now give the child scholarship up to university level. My branch manager said, and they go say, really? They go say, okay, we'll open the account. They can't open like 500 accounts. I can't pack account form. And we enter car, they go. And the next day, I just face window. They look. They look me, they look outside. She said, I didn't know that Stanbic is allowing scholarship from 3 years. I said, madam, before the begin to reach 3 years, you go don't resign or they don't sack you.
Lifestyle with MC Papi, Sunday, 27th October 2024. Time 6 p.m. Venue Congress Hall, Transcorp Hilton, Abuja.